All the parts. Got all the parts already for the Ford F100. This engine. Brand new engine. Brand new engine. Rebuilt tranny. Rebuilt. Brand new everything in the box. Oh yeah. What's this kid? Yep.
There it is. It's just dirty as fuck. They can't see nothing. I know.
He says they can't see that.
Motherfucking shit. Act like you got good eyesight. Jack. Okay.
Watch the finger.
There's one person you don't got to tell about fingers, it's me. Well, that's good, it's good, yeah. I don't care, we're not even Hey, can I have that carburetor sent to my cousin? Oh, that fit? 2 barrels, little 690 he's got. Right? Yeah, what are you doing to that carburetor?
Nothing.
That little tiny one.
Nothing. I'm not gonna use none of this.
I'll take it. All right. Okay. Let me go get the chain. I gotta open this hoist.
Ooh. Is it hot or what?
Oh, he got a cold one. Okay. How you doing?
I gotta go get Damien. I forgot about him again.
What time is it?
It's 4.
Let me go get it.
You gotta go, okay.
A head bolt right here, and the other one at the end with his chain, and then Mary knows what the name's at.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh no 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 no! Dean, it
5 feet long. That's about 5 foot. 105 feet. Look how long it is, motor.
damn. It's long, but it's 6.
Oh,
I mean, I wouldn't have minded rebuilding that one, but it would have been a lot of shit.
Yeah. These had a lot of power, right? I mean, decent. Not like a lot.
They had torque. They didn't really have a lot of power. I
Yeah.
think maybe it made 100 horsepower. Maybe.
It already had a little performance carburetor on it when we got it.
I think that was stock.
You think so? A Holly? Yeah.
The Holly was stock?
Yeah.
It had a little Holly.
Holly one barrel.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look, it's on the intake that you put in the back. It says Holly on it.
I got my beer right here in front of me. That's right.
Alright, I think it's draining. Let's keep it up.
I've been getting lazy at work. I swear. Yeah. I'm getting lazy, bro.
Here?
Yeah. Oh shit. Alright. Hold on. Oh,
It's hitting.
no, not yet. You, yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Alright, now you're hitting on the firewall back there.
Just
You're not, yeah. You're not gonna do nothing.
We're gonna have to take the watch that battery straight over.
pull it back. Whoa.
Ready?